Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove followers on Twitter X, account management step by step clearly. Open the Twitter X app on your phone or go to x.com on your computer. Log in to the correct account where you want to remove followers. Tap or click your profile picture to open the main menu. Select Profile to go to your account page. Find the section that shows your follower count and tap or click Followers. Wait for the full follower list to load on the screen. Scroll slowly and locate the follower you want to remove. Tap or click the three dots icon next to that follower's name. If you do not see dots, open the follower's profile first and then look for the three dots there. Choose Remove this follower from the menu. Read the confirmation message so you understand what will happen. Tap or click Remove to confirm and instantly remove them from your followers list. Repeat the same steps for any other followers you want to remove. If you want fewer unwanted followers in the future, go back to your profile page. Open Settings and Privacy from the menu. Select Privacy and Safety to control who can interact with you. Open Audience, Media and Tagging to limit who can tag you. Turn on options that fit your comfort, like limiting photo tagging to people you follow. Go back and open direct messages to reduce message requests from strangers. Go back and open notifications to filter low quality or suspicious activity. Consider switching your account to private so only approved people can follow you. To do that, open Privacy and Safety again and find the option to protect your posts. Enable Protect Your Posts and confirm, so new followers require approval. Now review your pending follow requests regularly and decline ones you do not trust. If a removed follower keeps bothering you, open their profile again. Tap or click the three dots on their profile page. Select Block to fully stop them from following and interacting with you. Double-check your followers list one more time to confirm the changes are saved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.